stars. Actually, just pick the knife up off the floor if you need to play the stars.
He's a star. Famous.